Hello, Helen here again. I really wanted to tell you today about one of our fabulous gift sets, which would make an amazing Christmas present, stocking filler for someone, or even a little gift for yourself. And that is our Woody Wonderland set. Now, this is just £6.50, which is an amazing price. It contains 3 different oils that have been specially put together, and it comes in a really lovely packaging. Now, it contains Rosewood, which is a really great stabilizer of the mind. It has antidepressant effects, and it also has an analgesic effect, which helps to relieve pain. One of the other oils in it is Sandalwood, and this is a great mood uplifter. It really helps to combat any kind of negative feelings, and it's really good on your skin as well as Sandalwood, one of the best oils for your skin. And Cedar Wood is also really good, as it's said to promote emotional balance, and it has a really nice grounding and calming effect. But it also kind of gives you a bit of a boost. So if you're wanting some motivation, say if you're wanting to go to the gym, you don't really feel like it, it really helps to give you that motivation. So this pack is a really kind of feel-good set, which at the moment I think a lot of us feel like we need. So it's a great gift for anyone. So anyone who's interested in essential oils, natural remedies, holistic things, it's a brilliant stocking filler. It comes with free postage and packaging. So go on our website, go under the sets section, and you will find it.